Industrial Solutions, and Automation Control. Industrial Solutions and Automation Control. I삭엔지니어링 Company Limited. From process and factory automation to smart factory and energy. I삭엔지니어링 has become a leading company in the field of digitalization. We have realized process and factory automation system in plant industry and kept investing in R&D of renewable energy control system. We are securing and expanding smart factory, and we deliver end-to-end full-service big data solutions. Process and factory automation. We provide total solution of system engineering, industrial software, design, manufacturing, installation, commissioning, maintenance. Steel plant control system. Hyundai Steel, POSCO, Dongkook Steel are our main partners. We build optimum process and equipment in the field of steel making, continuous casting, plate mill, cold rolling, and special steel. Semiconductor plant control system. SK Hynix is our main partner. We provide plant utility control system, process gas monitoring system, and central chemical monitoring system. EPC, HVAC, overseas plant control system. Our main partners are Samsung Engineering, Hyundai Engineering, Doosan Heavy Industries, Hanwha Engineering, etc. We provide HVAC total solution and building management system. Pharmaceutical, paper, food and beverage production control system. We provide the solutions to Murim Paper, Mide Paper, Lotte Liquor, Haitu Jinro, Pulmuon, DM Bio, etc. Renewable energy. Energy storage system and renewable energy. We supplied 3 megawatt ESS to Kochang Wind Farm. In addition, we have been in a joint R&D project with Lotte Chemical for ESS using liquid cells. For an empirical test, it was supplied to Glasgow Wind Farm in Scotland, and we are carrying out waste-to-energy plant project in Malaysia. Smart Factory. In response to the 4th Industrial Revolution, we are securing the special technologies for a smart factory. Product Lifecycle Management, PLM Construction Consulting, Performance Improvement, Upgrading Support, Digital Manufacturing, Customized Development for Manufacturing Process Optimization, including Factory Layout Design and Process Simulation. 3D CAD Development, NX-based Design Automation, 3D Design Process Consulting, Design Support and Services. Visualization, building customer-specific system in the field of production and manufacturing. Big data. Custom solutions geared to optimally connect businesses to their data. We provide on-site cluster integration and deployment, cloud deployment, data storage solutions, data ingestion solutions, ETL, and data analysis tools, predictive analytics. I삭엔지니어링 will never stop becoming the best company through persistent innovation, securing new technologies, and customer-oriented management. All about digitalization. I삭엔지니어링 Company Limited.